Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gilang Zulkarnaen, and I'm hereby going to explain about the genre versus the register from the class of the Introduction to Discourse Analysis. So let's get going. The first one is about the what is text variety. For most people, conversation is the most common type of the spoken language that they produce. But people typically listen to many different kinds of spoken language. Written language also play a very important role in daily life for many people. Students usually produce many kinds of writing. Notes during the class session, written assignment, terms paper, and possibly numerous text message and or email message. But similarly to spoken language, most people read more than they write. In fact, many people read even more different kind of text that they listen to newspaper article, editorial, novel, email message, blog, text message, letters, and ads in mail, magazine article, ads in magazine, textbook, research article, course by syllabus, and other written assignment or handouts. The second one is about the genre, register, and style. We use the term register, genre, and style to refer the three different perspectives on text varieties. The register perspective combines an analysis of linguistic characteristics that are common in a text variety with analysis of the situation of use of the variety. The underlying assumption of the register perspective is the core linguistic feature like pronouns and verbs are functional, and as a result, particular features are commonly used in association with the communicative purpose and situational context of text. The conventional way in which a letter begins and ends, the style perspective, is similar to register perspective in the linguistic focus, analyzing the use of core linguistic features that are distributed throughout the sample for the variety. The key difference from the register perspective is that the use of this feature is not functionally motivated by the situational context. Rather, style feature reflect aesthetic preference associated with a particular authors or historical period. The third one is about the text, variety, register, and dialect. Variability inherent in human language. People use different linguistic form on different occasions, and different speaker of a language will say the same thing in different way. Most of this linguistic variation is highly cinematic. The notion of the text is somewhat fluid as we used to hear. First of all, we sometimes distinguish between a complete text and a text excerpt. A complete text is an instance of extended discourse that has a clear start and finish, such as a research article or a sermon. The general term variety is used for the category of text that shares some social or situational characteristic. For example, a national variety of English refers to the text produced by the speaker of English who reside in the specific country. Much of the research in sociolinguistics has focused on the varieties that are associated with different groups of speakers. The number 4 is about the complete text and the text excerpt. And not that above, we focus primarily on the register perspective in this book because it can be used to describe any text excerpt from the variety. However, the methodological techniques used to be register analysis are also applicable to the genre and style perspective. In the present, we provide an overview of register analysis, establishing the foundation that will be used through the book. The last one is about the genre and style in literary study. If you are experienced with the literary study, you are probably already familiar with the concept of literary genre, variety of literature that employ different textual conventions. This use the term the genre is similar to our use in the present book because of the emphasis of the textual conversion. For example, three major literary genres are poetry, drama, and fictional prose. Literary style can be studied using by the same analytical technique as register. However, the underlying cause of the style variation are related to aesthetic preference and attitude about the language rather than a more direct functional influence from the communicative situation. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.